Oh, he did. Let's see if he'll jump again. You want to do it? You put him on top. Whoa! They're supposed to put down. Oh, Max. Oh, no. Oh, no. We got to stack those back up so he can jump. Here, I'll hold him. Let's stack them up. So he's going to rest right here. Let's stack these up again. Ready? And put them on top. Good job. Up high. Uh-oh. Let's put it right in front of you. There's one more. Want to do that one? Whoa. Do you want the doggy or do you want somebody else? Okay. You want the monkey? Duck? Okay. Alright, let's put the duck on top. So do you want to turn it? You want me to? You turn it. Okay, I'll help. Okay, let's put him on top and see what he does. Whoa! He knocked it down! Oh no! Whoa! Max, let's do somebody else next. We did a doggy and a duck. Look, there's a bird and a monkey. Good job, stack them up high. Oh no! Oh, good job. Whoa! Oh no! Max!
So ask Maddie to open
Bummer.
it for you, Kate.
You do that one? So I'll do one, you do one, and I'll do one. Okay. Which one? The bug?
The bird?
The bird. Oh, Max, I'm sorry. Okay, you turn it. We gotta turn right there. There you go. And then you have to put him down so he jumps. Oh, that was a little jump. Do more jumps, bird. Oh, he jumped right off the top. Let's try him again. Let's see if he can knock over the tower when he jumps. What did his mouth do? Did it open? Try this way. Try this way, Max. There you go. Let's see, I'm going to turn it a bunch. You see his tongue in there? Oh! Want to put him back on top? That would be funny sound. Let's put him on top. I think that might hurt him, Max. That might hurt his feet when we do it that way. Let's see. Whoa, he jumped right off. Oh no. Who else wants to do it? There's a monkey. Okay, I'll help him get out. Let's put our tower back up. God, Max, you are going really fast today. Good work. Oh, nice job. Okay, do you want me to turn it or do you want to turn it? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put him on top. Whoa, he jumped right off. Those are cymbals. Whoa, crash. Nice job, Max. Do you want to do one more? Oh no. Clap, clap, clap. Oh, no. Max, let's do one more bug. The butterfly? Alright, let's look and see. Oh, bummer, Max. I'm going to help. My turn, your turn, my turn, your turn. Alright, Max, which one do you want to do? Point to which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh. You could also call that a snail. Ladybugs have dots.